Okay.
My name is William Civic. I was brought to Texas by the family courts. Originally moved here from Phoenix, Arizona. I'm for both bills and equal parenting. I represent nationwide all the children and unmarried parents who are going through settlements through court.
Good.
Basically, try to keep this short. My son was taken from Arizona, moved here with his mom and his parents to Brownsville, Texas. I lived there for a year, hoping that we could work something out and I'd be able to see my son. Father's Day came, I didn't get a phone call. That was the first time I had been alienated. I called, and I didn't get a call the next day. So I decided to move here, and I gave up a really good job in Arizona. When I got here, I did the best I could in the economy in Brownsville. It wasn't necessarily as good as that I hoped. Over the years, I found out that nothing was going to improve. And another man came into my son's life. I was glad he had the support. This bill would have prevented me from having to go back to court after I obtained my first order when I had moved here. And I had had access to my son. We would have had a better relationship. We would have been able to identify with each other. I would have been able to raise him in ways that I thought were appropriate. But what ended up happening was so that I could afford to be able to help him with the abuse he was coming to me and telling me about, I had to move to Austin. I came to Corpus Christi first, moved to Austin, to get a better paying job so that I could afford an attorney because I went pro se and it wasn't going very well. It's been a year now. I didn't see my son for 8 months until last weekend. I didn't do anything wrong. I have no criminal background, no reason that should have been done. But every day I go into the 444th in Cameron County and I see Judge Sanchez, I'm losing something. And I don't understand why. So I'm asking you to vote on this tonight and give it the time it needs in the legislature, because my son is the one who's been asking me. And as time goes by and that limited access, he's dealing with a lot of alienation. He's having trouble controlling himself. He's threatened suicide. He's kicked me in the throat and used a lot of $5 words. Last time I saw him on August 31st, which is why I'm in this situation now. The judge made the decision because frankly, he doesn't know what's going on. They haven't heard any evidence yet. I can't believe it's been a year and not a single thing has been looked at. Please vote.
Mr. Savick, thank you so much. Any questions, Mr. Savick? Thank you, sir.